Want to know the best time to post on LinkedIn for maximum reach and engagements? Mostly people ask me this question. What is the best time to post on a LinkedIn? In this video, I break down the most effective times to post on LinkedIn based on real data, audience behavior, and platform insights. Whether you are a content creator, business owners, or job seekers, timing your post right can significantly boost your visibility and help you grow your personal brand or business on LinkedIn. To check the best time to post on a LinkedIn, I read many articles about LinkedIn posting. And now you can see that different articles are available about best time to post on a LinkedIn. But the summary of these all articles here: best days to post, best time to post, and avoid on weekend basis. And let's check article graphs so you totally understand the days best for LinkedIn posting. For example, I'm just opening this one, and now you can see that all graphs show you from Monday to Friday good audience on social media, not only a LinkedIn, all over the social media like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all the social media working well from Monday to Friday. And best time normally 8 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. This is the best time for posting, and mostly people active in this time. And different more articles are available, but all articles show the same time. And you can check all these things on your analytics of post. You can check and post on different timing, and you can check your post analytics. And now I want to show you so you totally understand. And now you just need to open your LinkedIn profile, and then you just need to click on post impressions. And from last 7 days you can select here last 90 days. I am just checking this best time from last 90 days, and I am getting good results from the post that I am posting on Monday to Friday, and my post not getting viral on Saturday and Sunday because the mostly people are not active on Saturday and Sunday. You can check different times according to your requirement, and then you will get results and some decision that you are getting from which time or from which days you are getting good results. The summary of all these articles is the best day to post on LinkedIn or any other social media: Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And on Friday and Saturday and Sunday, the people normally don't use any social media and they spend time with their family. And best time slots 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. morning time, and means you can say that from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. is good time for posting any social media, and you can avoid posting from weekends, Saturday and Sunday. So hope you understand the best time for posting on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this video.